Hello guys, welcome to my room review vlogs. So for today's video boys, I'm gonna review Red Hotel. So let's start boys. As you can see man, this is the entrance. Yes, that's the entrance boys. And there's the hanger, you see my clothes there. Yes, and that's me. There's a mirror bruh, so you can see how ugly you are. Yes, boys. And then there's a mirror. Then yes, a mirror, boys. You can balik ka ni. And then there's this, ano siya tawagan eh? A desk. I went twice this. And here's a TV man. Yes. And below this desk, there's an outlet. And then there's a free 2 mugs. And then what's this? It's a white sugar. And then creamer. And then a coffee. See that? And then there's a tiny spoon, bruh. Tiny as my nails, boys. There's a kettle. So I'm just gonna plug it there. Put some water. And then your water blender. Basically, man, mura ni siya. And then there's I don't know what is this, man. Basta hindi rin mo mag-imot ba? Para kita mag-ngani, bitaw mo. Guys, so there's 2 chairs. That one, and there's table, man. So it's a clean table, as you can see. So dinapi ang laptop, pakuha na dyan mo. And then there's a 2 free water bottle provided na. And here is the lampshades. And there is this something flashlight for reading. And then I think there's ubos. I see that man, that's the bottom. And then there's this cabinet there. So in this cabinet ba, basically man, wala free, just an empty space. And then below this man is the safe lock. Mama na tawag na. So I don't use that because matakibon sa paggamit. And here is the bed, boys. So 2 pillows, one habol, this weird static thingy, and there's a towel provided. I think it's 2 man. Yes, 2. And then there's 2 pillows with a aircon remote and a TV remote. And there's a painting, bro. So this painting is is that a woman? Is that a woman, boys? I don't know, boys. Basta that's a painting, boys. And there's another lampshade. And then there's a telephone. And then there's a guide or manual. And this book, you will see the introduction. And that one. Introduction. The mabuhay tingi. The department tingi. In our services man. And then, and yes guys, there's a pool. That one. So, yes. Also, man, there's a guest room. Service rooms. And it is located, man, in the Cubao. It is near the Araneta Coliseum, Farmer Plaza, and Farmers Market. And yeah, and then there's a cabinet. So the cabinet has a free 2 slippers Manilabot ako, ana. And then beneath them is nothing, bro. And there's my shoes, my dirty shoes. And that's it, man. Next, man, is the CR. So the CR, as you can see, spacious, man. There's a mirror. See, man, it's pretty big, bro. Yes, pretty big. So there's a switch. This thing is dead, damaged. There's a hair dryer, boys. So you can hair dry your face. Just joking, guys. There's this vanity mirror from the shoot, man. And there's this sink. Very powerful, bro. And there is this one. Don't judge me, man. Ang limpyo ko diha. So, basically, man, nawag ko na siya ganiya. There's a trash bin ba? And beneath there has a tissue, man. With free dental kit. And must be a toothpaste and a toothbrush. See that? And then there's two sabon. So, people think this is a perfume, boys, but this is basically a shampoo. Diba? Shampoo. And that's basically it, boys. Here is a bidet. And here is a toilet. So let's do the bidet check, boys. So the bidet check, man. Is it powerful enough to destroy this shit, man? Let's find out. Oh. Not bad. Powerful, boys. Powerful. And near the toilet, man, there is what do you call this? Holder, something like that. And there's a mirror that separates the toilet and the shower. So this shower, man, is a rainfall type. Let's shape triangle. There. And there's this something in the shower, man. And it's the button, bro. Basically, man, this is a nice bathroom, man. It's clean. So there's no bahid ng krimen. Yes, nice. What's that? Yes. So basically, man, this is it, man. And there's a mirror. Yes, you can see me, man. Hindi ba? Ba't na-compassionate? So this is my room reviews. Is it worth it, man? Worth it, boys. It is. And yeah, it's a nice room. Not bad. The only problem, man, is there's no mirror. There's no mirror. There's no window, man. But there are rooms na 9 windows. Just choose the room with no windows because I'm single. Basically, man, that is all for today's room review, boys. See you in my next vlog. Peace out.